Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will help how to study accountancy one day before exam. Start by listing high-weight chapters and personal weak spots, then set strict 50-minute study blocks with 10-minute breaks. Prepare a one-page formula sheet and flag common mistakes from past work. Use active recall by writing sample answers and timing yourself to mimic exam pressure. Stay hydrated, avoid new topics, and focus on clarity rather than memorizing every detail. Start with active recall using past questions, then grade yourself honestly to find gaps. Teach aloud difficult concepts as if explaining to someone else to reveal weak spots and boost retention. Create a concise formula sheet and highlight 3 must-know journal entries or ratios to review before the test. Limit deep study to 2 hardest areas and keep the rest as quick refreshers to conserve mental energy and confidence. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more study tips and exam hacks. Quick recommendation: grab The Simple Path to Wealth as a casual read to change how you think about money and long-term planning, and laugh about how budgeting for study snacks is suddenly investment practice. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want that book, it is a great companion. Now let's get back to the video. Before the exam, finalize logistics like route, ID, calculator, and spare pencils to reduce anxiety. Aim for a short quality rest to keep concentration and memory retrieval sharp during the test. Do a quick 5-minute mental run through key formulas and one sample problem 30 minutes before the paper starts. Keep breathing steady and start with questions you can score confidently to build momentum and calm nerves throughout the session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.